Hi class, this is the beginning of week 2. I hope you've been able to get started. Your secondary authentication was due this week along with assignment 1 and your thoughtful questions. I've already gone through and graded your thoughtful questions and selected those that will be used for the next portion of the discussion. There were a lot of really good, deep, and insightful questions. A lot of you seem to be really thinking about the material and how it impacts your daily practice as a teacher or a special ed teacher, and how other people view applied behavior analysis. So I enjoyed reading your thoughtful questions. I also wanted to update you. You received an email from our instructional assistant, Dr. Sadiq. She is an assistant to me to help me with grading and moderating the discussion board because there are about 50 of you, which is a lot for a graduate class. So she's going to be helping me out with that. She's very highly qualified, so if you have questions, you can, of course, ask her, or you can ask me. I'm still your main instructor for the course, but we'll be sharing the grading. This week you have Exam 1 due, which covers Chapter 1 through 3 in your textbook. There is a question about the number of modules in the course, and it is not accurate in your syllabus. So when you answer that question, make sure you answer it according to the actual course, what you see in the course, not the syllabus. I need to update the syllabus to reflect the correct amount of modules. Also, I had to change one of the questions, the answer to it, and there were 3 of you who have already completed the exam, so you received credit for that question. But just so you know, if you have a question that you come across and you check in the textbook and you see that the answer is not correct according to what the textbook shows, just send me an email, because occasionally, I make mistakes when typing up the exam, so I'll be happy to look into it and change it if I need to. Also, this week you have your response due to those thoughtful questions which I posted today. You'll need to respond to 3 of my posted questions and then 2 of your peers. Most of you have the hang of this if you've taken a course with me before. And that's all I have for you this week. I hope you have a great week.